Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your chat wallpaper in Telegram using an image from your own gallery on an Android device. Personalizing your chats with your favorite photos is quick and easy. Let's get started with the steps. First, launch the Telegram app on your Android device. Next, tap the three lines in the top left corner. From the options that appear, select Settings. Once in Settings, scroll down and tap on Chat Settings. Then tap on the Change Chat Background option. This will open a menu where you can select a background. Now tap on Select from Gallery to browse your photo library. Choose the image you want to use from your gallery. Once satisfied, tap the checkmark icon to set the wallpaper, then tap Set Background. And that's how you change your chat wallpaper in Telegram using an image from your own gallery. Hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more.